Want to reuse audio from someone else's Instagram reel? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use audio from other users' Instagram reels. Now let's get started. To use someone else's reel's audio, open the reel with the sound you want to use, then tap the audio icon in the bottom right corner. Here you can see all the reels that have used this audio track. Tap Save Audio if you want to bookmark it to use later. To make your own reel with this audio now, tap Use Audio at the bottom. Then proceed with creating your reel with that sound already added. That's all it takes to use audio from other users' Instagram reels. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.